guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a TN haul. It's my first one I have ever gotten and I'm so excited. I haven't even looked. I'm dying. I literally got it today, the 19th, and the only thing I did was cut the bottom because my address is on the other side, so. Oh yeah, look at that. That's very nice. That's super, I like that she has some like really good packaging. So this is from Etsy. Okay. This is what her card is. Oh my God. So her little print has a little red heart. She has red paper. I think that's cute. I'm all about packaging, but I'm all about packaging if I don't have to pay more. So there's a stipulation. I'm assuming that's my order form. Which I actually made a mistake. That's funny. So I'm glad. So this is what I ordered, all black, and I chose midnight, and she wrote king because clearly I'm a freaking idiot. So I'm glad that I wanted an all black one. Oh my God, here they are. Oh my goodness. I don't even know, like, oh my. Like, okay, let's start with the little one. So this is all black, so it would be night, night, and onyx, and I chose pockets. This is an A6 size, and here it is. What is this? Ooh, is this extra elastic? I see a lot of people have these. I don't know what this is for. Someone know what this is for? I realize black on black on black. Yeah, I don't know what it's for. I don't know what it's for. So I'm like, I don't even know what to talk about. Like, I'm not a TN person. I don't even know. So the elastic feels great, but actually it kind of does. So let's take a look at it. Again, I got the black on black on black. I mean, this is super nice. So this is not real leather. I don't know if she says what kind of it is. I mean, it's like plasticky, but like, I don't know if I would need real leather. I mean, this is like super nice. And I did go pockets. I think these were the only pockets she offers right now. I want to say that's all she offers. I would love to have like a crisscross. I see some of them. I don't know who those ones are by, but I see like a crisscross and I really like that. So this is, it looks like one continuous string, and then that's your notch for this guy. So this is again A6, and then there we go. The inside has this white lining, which is true across everything. So let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, so it has a white lining just like you would find in here, but she folds it over so you don't see it immediately, which I think is a really nice touch. I'm just saying. Yeah, you can see it's folded over right here. So I think the details on this are really great. I don't have anything to compare it to except for this one that's sitting right next to me that I already love. But I knew I wanted an all black one. And then, so that was an A6. This is a B6. Yeah, A6 and B6. Yes. And this is an all pebble. I mean, pebble across the table. So pebble stitching, pebble. Do you hear him? He is screaming bloody murder. And then the elastic. So this is a much bigger guy. And this like is gonna be right up my alley. Like this size, I think is pretty comparable to the Erin Condon, which I have printed my inserts because this was supposed to come Saturday. And so I have my inserts here that can go in here. So again, that pocket is lined and folded over. The strings feel pretty good. Sorry, just hit the camera. Let's see. Yeah, and this one is going to get fatter, so I think there's a little bit more room for the elastic. Like the elastic's a lot looser than this guy. But like, not too loose, I don't think. Because I do expect this one to get like, more like this. So I think it's comparable to the, again, I don't know what this is for. It's obviously for something. Is this another elastic to, it looks like it would be the same elastic that would go over this. Like, I don't know. I'll have to ask someone who knows about TNs, because I don't know that. Unless it's just extra elastic if you want to add another one in here. But I already got 1, 2, 6. What am I gonna do with 6? So, yeah, this was for my YouTube video, so I don't necessarily need it to be like immediately in front. No, look at that, it just goes right in. This is a vertical, so this is like my true weekly. Did I do that wrong? I think these are crossed. Yes, so just kind of switching that. Try that one more again. And then this is my meal planning and fitness, which I haven't filled out this week, so don't judge me. And I'm so excited to use my new clear dots. These are obviously misfit because there is a huge chunk missing up here, but like I put them over the actual day too, put them on top, on the side, like it looks so cute. So there we go, I have a TN setup. Done, nailed it. I'm totally kidding. But it feels really good. Like I know there was one that's like super, like the it one is super like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like popular right now. I think it's a Lush thing. Stitching is really good. You can see where she goes back over it. So she is reinforcing your stuff. You can see there, that's the end. So I'm glad to see that she is reinforcing these guys. We have that guy. So, and I like that she's careful in her reinforcements. She's not like going off the edge. Yeah, I like these a lot. Like, I like them way more. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, she even did her stamp on this little bag. So I'm like really impressed. Like this is very satisfying to hold. I don't know why, because I like things to be stiff and like together. But yeah, I'm in trouble. Like, let's take out my goodies. These are not all B6 though. I don't even know if this one is B6, but look how pretty that will be. I'm so excited. I don't think this one's a B6. I think this is the, yeah, that's for the A. I think this is the A as well. Nope. Is this A? No? Okay, so the one that I actually want to use because that has my initial on it. I'm just gonna stick that like that, don't judge me. Actually, which that's not terrible. Oh my god, they are so cute. Like, how fun. I'm like already obsessed. And then, you know, people take their photo like, yeah, look at it. Yeah. I can see where this would get addicting to decorating. Get these guys out of the way. I feel like I'm at a loss for words because this is so not me, like at all. But it's about to be, okay? And so I could see where this would be a problem to write in, like at the beginning. So that's why people have all these dashboards, right? So maybe I should, you know what? I will figure out how I want to set this up and do a video on it, because that would be cool. Like, look how pretty these are gonna look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. What's today? The 19th? You know, I can even foil these, you know, thought maybe in the future. So yeah, all right, there is my very uneducated TN haul. B6 and an A6. So if you ever wanted to know the difference between the 6s, get you lined up here. There you go. There is the difference. And I'm really excited. Like really excited. Like this video is going up tomorrow and it's already almost 7:30. All right, thank you guys so much for watching a very uneducated TN haul, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.